Hi Malcolm, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I would like to answer your questions. In the email, you have mentioned 2-3 questions regarding your white label that you actually want to set up when a customer sign up. Your first query is, I need to figure out a way to get my users in at the same time of sign up. Well, when a customer sign up on your white label, they get an email confirmation in their email inbox. So once they click on the link in the inbox, in the email inbox, his account become activated. Then he can log in with their ID and password, and his account will show that it's active. But there are other many ways as well. Let me show these ways. First, you need to log in with your admin ID and password. Then you need to click on CRM. Once you are in CRM, then in the service management, there is the option of user verification settings. Click on it. Now you can see below are the various options for account verification. Allow user login without email verification, yes or no. If you select yes, then when a customer sign up on your white label, his account will be already activated without any verification. But if you select no, then he needs to click on the confirmation link in the email. After that, his account will be activated. Similarly, you can select make account active by default, yes or no. Similarly, regarding try free numbers, there are two options as well, yes or no. Allow user to try free numbers without email verification. If you select yes, then your customer will get try free number without verification link. But if you select no, then your customer first need to verify their account by going through in his email and click on the verification link, and after that he can try a free number. Then regarding buy numbers, you can also set up two options, yes or no. Allow user to buy numbers without email verification. If you select yes, then your customer can buy the numbers without verification. Okay, but if you select no, that first he need to verify his account and then he can buy the number. He cannot buy the number even though they have a balance, but he cannot buy the number if you select no from the option. Similarly, you can about the DID, like for example, if a customer created account and he is not going to, you already defined that he should activate their account, first verify their confirmation link. But if he is not going to verify his account, then you can set up two options. If he is not going to verify his account, then his DID will be activated within 6 hours if you select yes. But on the other hand, if you select no, then his DID will not be released in his account and it will be stayed allocated in his account. So it's up to you. How you can allow your customer to in your website after sign up. Your next question is, do you provide access to the database? We already providing access to some part of our database, and you can see all these options. Of the options you will see in the CRM manager. All the changes you will do in the CRM manager, it will reflect on your white label. But we are not providing FTP details sort of information. You want to say, so we can create a script for order insertion. This will help. I will be running a free trial and I will get high volume. The 2 signups will hurt my efforts and increase support. No problem, we are always there. For your information, you can also create plans.